Hello, I'm Casey. I'm your fashion friend, your confidence cheerleader, your joy provider. I help inspire you with all things style, fashion, joy, and confidence. I post short, easy to digest advice videos to help you create a closet you love and get dressed with less stress. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel below so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get on with the show. And today I am going to talk about trends and what to do when trends arise. I think that the big thing about trends right now is that our generation is going, okay, well, first, trends are cyclical. I'll talk about that in a second. But this is the first time that our generation has gone through seeing something that we wore as a young person into coming back in style. And so generations that have, that are older than us have seen this happen before. But this is the first time that something that we have worn as a teenager or junior high teenager is coming back around into style. And we're kind of like, what the heck? We're kind of floored by it, right? We're like these Doc Martens and these chokers and these hairstyles that are coming in are, this is weird, right? This is what we wore when we were younger, so we can't wear it now. So that's our thought process. Right now, I hear a lot of it as we can't wear that now. And back when we were younger, some of maybe our parents' styles came back in and we like embraced it and ran with it, like the 70s or, flare jeans or whatever. And we embraced it. But our parents were like, oh my God, this is what we used to wear. I can't wear that again. So I want to hop on right now and break that thought pattern that just because we wore it when we were young doesn't mean we can't wear it now. And I'll tell you how to wear it now. So when we're looking at trends right now, and seeing these things that we used to wear when we were younger, our first mindset is like, nope, not going to do it. Nope. And I think what we have to do when trends arise is we don't have to. Well, one, you never have to adopt a trend. If you don't like it, then don't adopt a trend and stick with what you have and wear your stuff with confidence and be fine. Never feel like you have to adopt a trend. Number one, never feel like you have to adopt a trend, right? Number two, when a trend is coming into style, never feel like you have to adopt it fully, right? So we're seeing these things that we used to wear when we were younger, and we don't have to dress again like we were dressing when we were younger in these styles. We are allowed to adopt little pieces back from these trends and incorporate them into our wardrobe now. And so what I mean by that is, say that you see Doc Martens coming in, right? We don't have to wear the Doc Martens with the plaid t-shirt and the whole grunge look that we used to wear. We can just take the Doc Martens, put it with our skinny jeans, put it with our, cute sweaters that we have now, and just adopt a portion of that trend into our style that we already have. And so when we look at trends coming in, instead of your whole mind going, nope, not going to do that, look at the concept and all the little pieces that are coming in of that trend and pick and choose whatever you want. And so like, I love the whole boots thing. I'm taking that. This whole like high neck is coming back. It was V-necks for, a while, and V-necks are still fine. Don't think I'm saying that you can't wear them, but V-necks, the high neck is coming back. And instead of being like finding this top that's super trendy that you're like, I can't wear that, then find a top that just has a high neck that's still your vibe. Or say flannels are coming back in. And well, flannels have been, I guess, back in for a while, but in the way of the grunge look, then take that flannel and incorporate it into what you're wearing now, maybe with your leggings and your more athleisure wear look, and then put the flannels with it. And so you just pick and choose. Like, you don't have to fully adopt that whole trend and feel like, oh, I'm an imposter. Who am I to wear this? I feel like I'm trying to be too young. Because maybe, if you feel that way, you're not going to walk with confidence. And that's the whole purpose of what I tell you, what I teach you, is how to walk with confidence. And so if you can adopt these little pieces of the trend, then it makes you, one, feel like, okay, I'm being a little trendy. And then two, it doesn't totally exclude all your other clothes in your closet. And then three, you're not feeling like an imposter, like, who am I to be wearing this? I feel too young to be wearing this. And this goes for the same with fashion magazines. If you look in fashion magazines and you see these outlandish outfits, it's not always about like, oh, I need a dress in these really outlandish outfits. You look at the concepts that are in these fashion magazines. Look at the concept of the layering that they're doing, or the color combinations that they're doing. And you take the concepts that you see from fashion magazines, from trends, and then you start incorporating that into your wardrobe. It's not about fully copying and being that person in the magazine or being these young people that are wearing these like crazy trends. It's more about taking the concepts that you see and then incorporate them into your wardrobe. So I hope that helps. I hope that helps for y'all. I hope that that gives you some new ways to be inspired. That's really what trends are here for and magazines are here for, is to not copy, is to not be an imposter, is to just be inspired to try something new in your closet. So try something new, look at a trend a different way, and I hope it helped. Happy Monday.